book which was written before 61 years ago, and the author name was Dr. Viktor Frankl. Man's Search for Meaning. And this book, it is talking about that how to give meaning to your life. There are many people that they will ask that how to give meaning to your life, and many people will say that mean if we are alive, our life is useless, or we are having a specific purpose. And many researchers were there, they searched about it, and they were successful. But there was one philosopher who was Dr. Viktor Frankl, and he gave the answer of this question, writing it in a book clearly. And from that time, the world got the meaning that how to live our life. And the main thing I liked in this book was the main sentences of it, and the main points which attract my attention, and I only disliked the terms which were very much tough and they confused me. And basically Dr. Viktor Frankl was prisoned in World War II with his whole family in Italy. And after the prison, his whole family was killed. His brother, sister, father, mother, and wife all were killed, and he was also very much tortured. But during such situations, he lived a great life, and he wrote a such book like Man's Search for Meaning. And he was very satisfied with a sentence which was like this, that he who has a way to live can bear almost anyhow. It was me like a proverb that he liked this sentence very much, and from it he know the meaning of life, that how to live your life. And he has written that mean during the prison, the prisoners who don't have their future, and who are not having hope, and who did not believe on their future, they became sick, or a disease caught them, and they died that time. And he has written that me life has some expectations from us, and these expectations will come on in that time, that meanwhile we are in bad situations. And if someone can mean the people who can bear them, then they will be successful, and if some can't bear them, then they will die in the history of life. And after coming out from the jail of Italy, and during the World War II, he was a doctor, and he made a new therapy which was logotherapy. Like, because of logotherapy, he gave meaning to many people's life, and he made this during the World War II, that the meaning is that every individual has the freedom to live their life on his own terms. Everyone has the freedom that to have an independent mind and free hand to live their lives. And after this, while he said that many people want to be happy, that they said that we are living to be happy, and they will say that our this question will be solved by money, but the author said that it is wrong. And if you want to be happy, then it is not like this, that you will go and you will run behind money. For example, the scientists are there, the artists are there, the painters are there. They are not running behind money, and they they are taking their jobs as passion and they are happy. They are happy, but the people who are working till 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. then they are not happy all the time because they do this for paying the bills of their own. And he has written that if you want to get meaning to your life, then choose such a fashion by which you will think that you are having a job yourself and you will not run behind that money. That some people are there, they will run behind happiness and money and their all life will be blessed like this. And also he wrote that last time that while a patient came to him, then he was a psychologist, and while the psychos came to him and he asked individual questions and also sometimes useless questions by which he attract their mind. That one every time he asked that, if a patient came, he asked that why do you not commit suicide, and many patients were there, they were psycho but they were having very solid answers for this, and this thing gave their life meanings.